Good morning, it's Tuesday the 17th of May and this is your daily outlook. The euro edged higher yesterday, recovering some of its losses and trading above a 7-week low against the dollar. The single currency got a boost after the European finance ministers agreed on a rescue package of €78 billion for Portugal, but no progress was made for Greece's debt crisis. Eurozone consumer price index was as expected in April, but still significantly above the central bank's target of 2%. Against the dollar, the euro recovered to trade at 142.44, higher than a 7-week low at 140.47. The US dollar weakened against a basket of currencies during yesterday's US session after data disappointed investors. The Empire State Manufacturing Index revealed a sharp decline in May to 11.9 from 21.7. Against the Swiss franc, the greenback fell as low as 0.8799 from a 3-week high at 0.8938. Against the Japanese yen, the dollar rallied, climbing to a 2-week high at 81.44 from 80.69. The Australian dollar rose against the dollar after the Reserve Bank of Australia meeting minutes. The central bank sounded positive regarding the country's economic growth and said that higher interest rates may be needed in order to stop prices from rising. The Aussie rose as high as 106.42 versus the dollar from 105.18. Aussie's neighbour, the Kiwi, plummeted to 0.7754 from 0.7854, but then recovered its losses to trade as high as 0.7866. Sterling traded higher versus the greenback, rising to 162.54 from 161.59. The consumer price index data from the UK is expected today at 8:30 GMT. It's expected to provide an insight to the country's inflation. Oil prices ticked lower, falling to $96.48 a barrel from $99.62. Gold slid to $1,488.65 an ounce from $1,504.32, and silver also edged lower at $33.46 an ounce from $35.22. Currencies to watch out for: the euro dollar and dollar yen. The euro dollar pivot point is at 142.45, with a preference to enter into short positions at 142.35. The dollar yen pivot point is at 80.70, with a preference to enter into long positions at 80.75. Today's calendar and market movers: UK consumer price index in April is forecast to gain 0.7%. US housing starts in April forecast to rise to 568,000, and US industrial production in April is forecast to gain 0.4%. Now on to equity markets. US equities were negative yesterday, with the SP 500 down 0.62% and the Dow was down 0.38%. The European bourses were also negative, with the FTSE down 0.04%, the DAX was down 0.21% and the CAC was down 0.72%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was up 0.11% and the Hang Seng was down 0.11%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma Andre from the easy-forex dealing room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.